Subscribe to Mind, Body and Soul and press the bell icon for more updates.
So we're going to try doing the tiger with just one leg and one arm on the floor. One-handed tiger, Eka Hasta Vyaghrasana. Transfer your weight into your left leg. Raise the right leg. Now transfer your weight into your left arm. Transfer your weight into your right arm. Check how strong you're feeling. And raise the left hand off. See if you can hold on to either the top of the foot or the ankle. So your left arm, your right leg. Press the foot into the hand gently. You're going to try and find a nice balance. Hold the pose for 5 deep breaths. And gently release the leg. Doing the same thing with the other leg. So you have your left leg and your right arm coming up. If you're losing your balance, try and see what it is that helps you or stops you from balancing there. Bring the other leg up, the left leg. You can either have your toe plugged in or you can have it spread out on the floor, whatever feels good to you. The one on your supporting leg. Transfer your weight into your left hand. Raise the right hand. Hold on to your foot. Nice, strong balance there and hold for 5 deep breaths. You may have your knee a little lower in this pose. This is where perhaps you feel like being. That's fine too. When you come up higher, you're stretching out the front thigh of the bent leg and also activating the buttock and the hamstring muscles. Slowly release the leg. Sit back for a moment. Bring your knees to the width of your mat. Spread the knees. So your big toes are touching, the heels are apart. We're going to stretch forward. Come as far forward as you can, keeping your hips down on your heels. If you're very flexible, you'll be able to bring your chin down to the mat. Or you can bring your forehead down, whatever feels good. Relax the shoulders. Feel the hips stretching out. Relax the lower back. Rest for 3 deep breaths.